Hello and welcome to Purple Lotus Yoga. I'm Shannon Caldwell, a 2 decades plus yoga practitioner and teacher. For the best advice and tips on teaching yoga and deepening your practice, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads. For today's pose, we're looking at wide-angled forward bend. This one is a seated position, so you'll want to start on the floor if that's comfortable for you. I am going to be demonstrating a yang and yin version of the posture. From that seated position, remember you want to have that place of balance, left and right, front and back. And then from here, you're just going to extend your legs straight and open them up at an angle. Maybe your legs are in a V. For yang names, we have wide-angled forward bend. We have wide V. In yin, this is oftentimes referred to as dragonfly. In the yang version, we're looking at extending the legs, probably flexing the feet, pulling those toes back toward you or letting them point up to the sky. Another important element in yang is making sure that the knees are comfortable and not being stressed. Once you have angled your legs, then it's a matter of taking it into that forward fold. In yin, we're softening. Maybe we don't take that V as wide. We're loose and soft in the upper body, and then we can just fold over this stretch. Benefits for wide angle, we're getting a stretch on the inner thighs, maybe underneath the hamstrings, outside of the hips, low back, behind the knees, and maybe even down the thighs. Those are just some of the places that you might experience the stretch. Contraindications, caution. If someone has low back issue, tight or injured hamstrings, we might need to make some adaptations there. Hip issues, if they have trouble opening their legs into a wide stance. Some variations in wide angle. As always, we have those twists. We can take side to side. Stretching either direction. We can also turn toward the extended leg, folding over it. We can also bring it up and over to the side this way. We can come forward. We can reach back, lifting your chest to the sky. Adaptations. We can narrow in our wide V. So instead of a wide V, we have a narrow V. We can do one side at a time. So a half dragonfly or a half butterfly. We can take our blanket and sit on it, elevate those hips, which is going to help alleviate what a person might be experiencing through here. We can also, if we have the extra props, we could roll up towels or blankets and put them under the knees. This is something you might see in yin classes. Share with me how you've practiced wide-angled forward bend.